Hello Sky, welcome to Sapa. Hello. Right now I'm staying in the beautiful. Today's very nice. I will show you how the Sapa town. If you stay with me here in this town, you watching the cloudy. They are dancing. You see over there. The cloudy is dancing. They come from here and go up to the Sapa town. Well, you see Sapa town right there? Oh my goodness. The right view, everything just down here. But the cloudy, they're moving very fast to the town. Oh my God. It's something like a ghost. Let's say something like a ghost. It's really nice, guys. You come here and stay with me right now here. You're feeling just amazing. This is really nice. I stay here alone, so nobody enjoy with me. But I see that and it's beautiful. I really like it. Oh my gosh, so nice, guys. Hey, if you haven't planned your plan to Sapa, let's start it, because now the weather it will change. So today it was sunny, the temperature about 20 degree. So you come here right now, you will enjoy this. Absolutely, this time you will see the beautiful landscape, the cloudy, the right view, the local people, something like right now I'm stay here. Okay. Oh my God, I still watching the cloud is moving. They are still moving and never stop. It's so nice, guys. Yeah, I just came back from work and now I go back to village, which I come back to my homestay in my family. Today is really nice. Right now I just stay in the Lao Sapa. Lao Sapa is really nice, and if you stay and you sit there, or your accommodation, that is, you will watch this cloudy. They're moving here. It's really nice, guys. Oh my goodness, the cloudy is just comes up. They go to the top. Oh my God, I can't imagine. You see the cloudy there. They move to here. Really nice, very nice, super nice. Clouds, they come here. Oh my gosh, almost here. No, don't come here. You can go stay there. But I can't stop you, right? Oh my God, I just see cloudy here. You see, they're moving very fast. Oh my God. Oh. Oh no, finally they came here. Oh, finally they came here. See? Oh, I will see nothing now. Right now, I will see nothing. Oh my God, it's super fast. Oh my God, I can't see anything now. Oh my gosh, so nice. Oh, okay, cool. The sun cloudy that just move on, and here is still a little bit clean, but the sun of the cloudy, they still come in. Oh no, I think now is the large cloudies. I can't stop. I can't see anything now. Oh my God, I don't like it now. I don't like it now. I don't like it now because now I can see nothing. Alright. Oh my God, so beautiful, guys. You come to Sapa, absolutely this time you will see like this. But make sure you stay in Sapa town, which in maybe just like stay in the big house towns and like Sapa house, like the other one just this side, but now the cloud is height. So if you stay there, you watch the cloudy, they're moving, move out, they're moving really nice. Okay, now I can't see anything now. So should I stop? Think maybe I should stop now if I can't see anything. But super nice, guys. If you came to Sapa, this is the best time to see the cloudy moving. And if you wonder if cloudy like this and can you see right view, right? You will have the question like this, but my answer is absolutely you can see the right view. When you stay in Sapa town, you will see cloudy moving like this, but when you go down, take it to like a 20-minute from 20 kilometers from Sapa, you will reach in the beautiful right view terrace. That's very nice, but you have to work. You have to work and do trekking. Like 1 or 2 days, you see everything. And if you worry you can't see anything because cloudy, no worry. We are happy to assist you. Okay. Oh, nice. The cloudy that just move on. So now I stay here, still very nice, and I still the cloud is still moving and they're still dancing. I still watch them. It's really nice. And yeah, just 2 or few minutes ago I feel like oh, I can't see anything, I don't like that, but just after 2 or 2 minutes I see this, absolutely the one I want. Really nice. So now you see right there, that's Sapa town. This now we have a lot of building. That's really nice hotel. But right here you see some light there. That's a cable car station. Which also super nice. And down here you see all the cloudy. They move on that. And down here a little bit, that's it. Oh, it's right field terrace. That's really nice. And you see the mountain here, that's Hoang Lien mountain range, one of the biggest mountain in the North Vietnam, and the highest mountain in Indochina is on the top of the cloudy, is black cloudy there. Super nice, guys. Wow, really nice. I spent about 20 or I think not 20, maybe 30 minutes to watch the cloudy moving. I very enjoy it. I really enjoy it. It's really very few time you can see Sapa beautiful like this. So if you come to Sapa this time, this is the best time to see cloudy moving. And the other time you can see a beautiful mountain or the beautiful